Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yep, guys. Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome on today's videos. I have a special. And guys, in case you're new here, subscribe to my channel. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. And guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. And I'm just around at my home. So guys, sorry. Yesterday you missed my videos, but in good way, you know. So around my home, no power, so technically I'm suffer, guys, you know, charging my phone, charging my camera, charging my power bank, you know, going to people's home every day, tell them charge my phone, charge my camera. Sometimes it's hectic. So today I'm just around at my home, and my intro starts from here. And technically, guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. So for the one who are doing cleanliness, that's my African mom. That's my real good advisor, and she was helpful on my side, you know. Wow. Just a minute, guys. Hello. Ndo natoka. Ndo natoka. Alright, guys, that's the call. And technically, guys, this I'm calling home. And in case you're new here, guys, subscribe to my channel. Road to success. So today I wanna give my mom a special chat. You know, I will ask my mama in Swahili, and then I will explain a little bit. You have the birds sing the song here and there. Wow. So my mama, she was normally sweep the compound daily, guys. Daily. I'm dalinga nkinyo. Sanga mukulinga. Okay, mama, you sweep. Guys, today's is not a normal day. Today's on Sunday, and I went to church. That's the borehole, man, from other side where mama sweep. Super clean. Alright, guys, I'm just inside my house, and before I take you outside, there's a banana here. So I feel like today I wanna eat banana. Oh my god. Okay. This banana here, the ripe one, you know. Wow, I'm enjoying, guys. Wow. I wanna organize things to be in order, and then taking outside. No, guys. Oh, look at this. Wow. Guys, to be honest, my African mom was so grateful what I'm doing. And actually, guys, it's by God's grace, you know. For this far, it's by God's grace. You see my house super clean, and soon after these videos, I want to take you outside, you know. So let me close my house and taking you outside, guys, you know. Like they're around right there. Wow, guys, that's how my body gets here. Wow. East to west, home is the best, guys. by God grace, I want to build home first, and then things will follow later, guys. So today I changed my parking point. So actually this is my parking point on this side here, and right now I think my bike is just okay. So I'll do things here by wiping the dust, and things will be clear, guys. So since I do offloading of the blocks, let me go there and check it, and then I'm waiting my mama from the church, and then I'll let you know what's going on. I know for the premiere again you missed my videos, but sorry guys, you know sometimes you wanna miss my videos in a good way. So let me take you this way, guys, around. Let me take you to other side to see what is going on. Iga kupeni simu tuko karibu kushamwaza shit. Wow, there's the hands here. Small kids. Wow, this is my sister's toy, guys. You know, right now she have two toys, guys. This one and the modern one. You know, so and this I'm calling home, and east to west, home is the best. Home is the best all the way. All the way, guys. All the way. You know. Let me take you this way as you watch these videos longer. And guys, it's been long, guys. It's been a while, not long. It's been a while since I do offloading of the blocks. I haven't go there even to have cancellation. You know, I just like offloading randomly, and then I said my engineer, thank you for your full support, because around my village here, guys, no one who what's happened here, the cow dunk of cow, no one who, guys, will maybe support you maybe in terms of 100 USD, but I negotiated with my engineer, and then I told him, when I get money anytime, bro, I'll give you. You just do this, bring material to my site, and then the cash that I have, I'll give you. So guys, actually I'm lacking $100, so I can make the payment of the remaining money, you know. So that's all the way from Nairobi. That's the work hard of my engineer, you know. And he was a close friend of mine, you know. He know my struggle, you know. Back years I was go where he was building, looking for the job, and then he told the mason, when he came anytime, please give him a job. And I working there as a handman. Even before I got to Dave Juniors, guys, I was working with him for like 3 years, and then I get money, I give my mama to buy food, you know, guys. I was working so hard before even I know what about YouTube. But I thank God, because hard work always pay. So guys, by supporting me, by watching my videos, at least at the end of the month, you see what I'm trying to do around my home. And I'm not the guy who may be faking life, you know, like doing clickbait. No, guys, me, I'm just showing you the realities. And I know for the haters around my village here, they hate what I'm doing, you know. I know, because what I'm doing here, people have full of jealous around my village where I come from. But I mean, no time with them. Let them talk shit, and then me, I work my side, and then as I go, you know. Imagine, guys. Look, in case you join these videos for the first time, and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, comment, share. And I repeat this for the several times. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. At least at the end of the month, maybe guys, I show you buying blocks or buying sand or buying cement, nothing to be high, because let's supporting me by watching my videos, and I'll reach my targets, and I will never let you down, guys. You know, there is a video I made on my friend's land when I'm going there. I told you guys this week, just believe on me, but I'm lacking this and this, I'm lacking this money. And then guys, I said, let me try to talk with my engineer. Maybe they can understand my problem. But who is God, guys? God is amazing. God is everywhere. When I talk with my engineer, he said, no problem, I will bring, and then you'll turn my money back. And then you will see even the difference, guys, between here and here. This is purely white because it stay here like 1 month. But this one here, oh, new stuff from the industry. So this is right now, guys, right here I have the total of 1,400 blocks, and if I bought 2,000 no 700, because it could be 2,100, and then I'll start from there, guys, because I don't want to put more effort saying, oh, blocks, oh, blocks, oh, blocks. But it's good when I have enough blocks, I'll start, because I don't want maybe when people start building, oh, hello baby, bring 1 trip for the blocks, hello baby, bring cement, hello baby, bring sand. At the same time, I'm paying people who are working at my site. I'll be tired, bro. I'll be tired. But this is the time, this is my moment to buy some material, guys. You know, to chase my dream here, because people ask me in the premiere, hello baby, not building tiny rooms for your mom. I know for my mom's master bedroom will bigger, man, will bigger. And then also, let's see, guys, let's see, keep praying for me, and everything will be moving perfectly. Well, guys, sometimes I feel so tired, like I wanna sit here. Oh my god, it's Sunday vibe, guys. You know, it's Sunday vibe. And because in the morning I shoot the videos, my mom, she was in a hurry mode going to church, and I don't want to disturb my mama, you know. Come we say hello, you know. Hey, Ekyor, ni mwanangu rekodi. Say hello.
Hello. Hello.
Umetoka kanisani? Endeni basi mkunywe chai. Buende master.
Content una make.
I'm making content.
Hello guys. The village master here. I'm just passing through this point. I've met Hello Baby official. I'm on the way going to I bought some bricks down there, so I just want to extend the bathroom. As you told me. So,
you remember? I told you, just extend.
So I've just tried to but that bathroom is not working well, so I just decided to extend it. So wherever you're just watching this video, can urge you, I am a YouTuber for a long time. I've been building for Ayamara. When you just view to that Ayamara's page, so I have a YouTube channel, go search me. I'm the village master. So I really like you. 254.
At the same time, guys, he was a TikToker.
Yeah.
Superstar on TikTok.
Go to my YouTube channel, search the village master.
I have a
busy.
Hiya. Since go get you to Saurika YouTube. Okay. Okay, guys, that's Master 254, and if we talk beyond his side, guys, let's understand him. Mama, come and say hello, because I was waiting you in the morning. I shoot the videos, guys, with my mama, because she was harassing maybe doing some cleanness, sweeping, and then going to church. I said I don't want to disturb you. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Again. Hey, that's Sunday vibe, guys. Mama, let me take you there. twende huko. Because when I was offloading the material, you are not around here. Like you're on the other side. Because my good subscriber want to see your reaction, how you react. Because guys, at the same time, I'm telling you, my mama, she was a good advisor. You went to the church like this, ma'am. You are killing me. You are killing me, ma'am. Last time, mama, siku ya kwanza ulisherekea hii. Kaliriata. Sasa next ni haya. Guys, my mom, she was a good advice, I'm telling you. Last time, she was celebrating that. And then one of my solid subscribers made it possible. She supported me on 700 blocks. And I said, no matter what, let me put my all struggle down. Let me buy blocks. Alone here, guys. Unajisikiaje?
Vizuri.
Hey, you touch a new stuff, mama. Unajisikia vizuri? So guys, mama. Okay guys, I can't wait to see my mom's dream house come in good shape. You know? Nasubiria nyumba kwa mpigo. Bado? Boyamdo. I was greeting my friend right there. Unasubiria nyumba kwa mpigo? Okay, mama, you just keep praying. God will open the door. Me, I'm just work on my. Yani, nangangana kwa bidii penye nitaweza. Penye sitaweza namwachia Mungu. Guys, I'm telling my mama, I'm just work so hard. Where I can, I'll do it. When I can't do it, I left the rest to my God. Yep. Okay, mom. Hey, African mom to the world. Hey, good vibe. Yeah, good vibe always, guys. Hey. Nowadays, my African mom smile, guys. Put smile on her face. Umoroshi, imeisha moto. Wow, guys, that's my African mom. And then from that, mama, me, I'm going to border town. Yeah, making videos. Because it's been a while, mom. Yeah. Like, kesho jana sikuweka video. Leo nimeona ngoja niweke. I'm telling mama, yesterday I didn't put videos. So today, let me put videos and catch up with my new subscriber. This is where I'm calling home, man. Right here. Right here. I was born on this house. Before my young brother and sister. You know, I feel the pain. I feel the pain where I came from. Hey. Okay, mama, nice time. Yeah, guys, after these videos, I'm heading to border town, and me, what I believe, by God's grace, I'll make it. And we have avocado trees, also avocado fruits. This one, it's ready. Anytime it fall down, and then we ripe them. See, guys, we have plenty of avocados here. Go up to that way, man. People will ask me, hello baby, what's the purpose of that sand? Because I see it stay there for the long time. Me, I always speak this, guys. I know the hectic of construction, how it is, because I don't want to waste this sand here on Muram and another side on the toilet there. I notice in future I'm going to build my mom's dream house. So the moment I dig the septic tank, I store them. I dig the borehole, whichever, the well, it depends how you call it, but for me I call the borehole, and then I store them. When we done with setting of the foundation, and then to cast us like to come back to the ground or to come back to the floor, after arranging the stones, I'll use this ram and then to come back to them, you know. So that's the reason why I keep this muram here that you see. And no jokes, guys, one tippers goes to 60 USD, this muram. And then to avoid much expenses, I said let me keep it here. Let me keep it here. We have the borehole, it has water, And for those people who keep supporting me, I want to say may God bless you. Without you guys, I could be maybe sitting somewhere else, chilling, and maybe sitting idle. At the end of the day, nothing in my home. We sleep hungry. But I thank God, my family, they are working so hard, including my mama. You see my mom's working through the farm, and you see my brother making bricks. You see I myself planting maize. If you don't believe, go and click my older videos when I was preparing the land and then planting the maize, doing everything, man. Working at construction sites to have money before this platform be getting successful. You know, I was working so hard. So that's the reason why when I get money, I know what I'm supposed to do with that money, because I thank God I'm not pumping champagne. I'm not like engaging in bad company. I'm just alone, you know, maneuver around, making videos on the streets, coming back, making videos while I'm riding my bike, technically maneuver around with my bike just over here. And after a few minutes, you will see me riding the bike, because right now it's so hot, guys. I will never, like, it's so hot outside here. There's no need to wear the jackets. I think I'll do a little bit motorbike riding, and then from that we'll see how things go. Mali ngumu. Yeah. Ngongi job. Unipe kazi. Kata na auto nata boda. Tanga na subhen. Okay guys, I was speaking with my how am I going to say, with my relative, you know, with my neighbors also. They're part of my family. So guys, let me check the cow and then we move out, guys. It's so hot here because very in the morning I shoot the videos and wow, say hello. First I want to start with you. When I shoot the videos very in the morning, the cloud looks good. I pray Almighty God this maize like quick and grow fast, and then cutting trees down. Hey, mama have change to gitenke. Kanange watakuna. Mama have already changed to gitenke. Hey, kura vital. African mom, kura tana vital. African mom. Mjana tete mitamneri nege tenke ke. I'm telling, yeah. Oh no. Maage kui hayo. Kasongo hayo ale. Maage. Well guys, that's sweet potatoes vein, and I come to check our cows, guys. It's been a while. Mama lingumu harakui. Hey. Well guys, I love this cow, guys. Me, no matter what was this cows, my mama would never sell it because I love them. I love this bull, man. It will be bigger. Look, people done deforestation, which is a bad behavior. Because of poverty, people sell trees, cutting down, you know. As I speak here, even the next neighbor do so. Because I see some trees laying down there. A lot of trees, and they bought at a cheaper price. Doing deforestation, like, things will be hot here. But may thank God, we have our trees, our home. And then I'm supposed to plant more fruits, plant like trees which giving us fruits. You know, say hello. You good? You good? You good? Wow, there's our cow. For my premiere again, video is coming. Banger video. I'll show you guys. You know, when this neighbor saw the trees cutting down, and then also the next neighbor do so. You good? You good? Yeah. Okay. No problem. No problem. Madam, how was your Sunday goes? I love this cow and that bull, the small one. So guys, let me show you guys. You think that I'm faking things? After the first neighbor saw the trees to be cut down, and then also the next guy do so. I didn't understand why people do, but he left a little bit trees. You see them, but he done a lot of deforestation, guys. You know, cutting down of trees, and then this place could be dry here and there. You know, look. You think I'm lying? You see a lot of trees down. Look, people run because of money. Needs money, guys. Even at that time, I'm shocked, guys. When I'm going to build my mama, where I'm going to buy some timber, you know, for the roofing. If somebody outside here sold these trees, crazy. You see, they have been cut inside here. You know, they have been cut. All bigger trees, they have been cut down, and then things will be hot here in my village, guys. I'm telling you, things will be hotter. You see, some logs, some huge trees laying down like crazy, you know. But let's them set the trees, guys. No idea at this point. If could me, I'll never even do some deforestation. You know, the moment, according to our system of Kenya, most so for the forests, like people who deal with the forest, when you cut one tree, you're supposed to plant more than two. I'm telling you, so no one who plants here, and then the place will be like, we'll be having like a crazy environment. Look. But things will be okay, guys, on our side. You see the maize corn here. Wow, going up the other side, going up to that way, you see. So guys, stay tuned. I want to take you a short road trip with my bike, and then we back home, because even right now I'm not feeling that much okay, because you heard my voice, guys. You know, look, farming is our backbone. That's maize I'm showing you around. Oh man. East to west, home is the best. Wow. Okay guys, I'm outside heading that way, and then I want to take you to border town a little bit, guys. So ready for the trip? Let's go. Guys, enjoy my trip. Wow. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. As you move in good way, let's go. Taking you to Border Town, guys. People are from church. There's a shop around my village here. That's Matoke. Okay. Guys, no time for negativity. I'm telling you. If you like it or not. That's the local Achiever School right there. So guys, be ready. Tomorrow I want to take my brother and sister to school, guys. Be ready. Be ready. Let's move on. Taking you to Border Town. Wow. And right here of the dump sites, I was showing you for several times, guys. See, this is crazy. It's crazy, man. An entrance and it has an exit gate. So guys, where I am from right now, I'm almost mid the tarmac road, which is the main road. Let's go. Border Town. Enjoy my trip to Border Town. Slowly, no pressure, guys. Today's a super calm day, you know. Super calm day. That's my Roma Catholic Church. I belong to Aroma. Let's go. Showing you how Border Town looks like. See that blocks right there? Okay. And at the same time, guys, I see that a nice house. That house one day will be my dream house. I'll figure out. Look, that view is super amazing, super clear. Oh my god. Full sacks of maize on the other side. Sorry guys, today's on Sunday and it's super hot outside here. It's super hot. That's V Power Shell right there. It's a nice petrol station. On that side, that's where Rich hide. I'm telling you, sugar cane in front, right there. Let's go. Over here, stuck. Let me show you Bora Town, guys. And then more amazing videos coming. These are mixture videos. Me, I'm heading to Bora Town. Crazy. See the other side. We have Ismania police station. Oh. Run Cruiser TX. See? Oh, let's go. Bora Town. Two different banks share the same building. Equity and Cooperative Bank. And I realized Cooperative Bank have a good service. I'm telling you. See right there, guys. We're moving on. Moving on, guys. Look at this side here. It's crazy. Let's go. I normally buy some things there. Materials, total. Popular to the world. Tank right here. Let's move on. Oh my god, this is Bora Town, guys. That's how it looks like during noon time. It looks like that way. That's the bank right there. Wow. Let's move. Okay. We're moving out like that. Hey, little baby. Good morning. Look. So after these videos, we're heading outside. Whoa. You good? Okay, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Road to success, guys. Oh, Simba. What's up? Wow, guys. So let me take you down. Hey, full of guavas, guys. So stay tuned. More amazing videos coming. Boom. Let's put this. Wow. Super amazing. Enjoying soft life, which God bless me. I have the cup of tea here. Kweli, maisha London. Life in London. I want to say thank you so much for those people who keep supporting me. Thank you a million times. And it's a bright morning, guys. We thank God for the gift of life. We thank God we are healthy, we have good health, and we breathe fresh air. No mind. Alright guys, I left home and I'm heading to the markets. So right now at this moment, and it's a bright morning as you can see. So everybody are outside. Wow, let's go. Yeah guys, it's been long. Let me take you to the markets in our village here, but it's far away. So technically guys, watch this video to the end. You may get surprised. Oh my god. So I'm driving a little bit. Guys, I'm fully outside, fully outside guys, in a good way. I miss this road guys, it's been a while, you know. By God's grace we shall win. Right, that is it. Your son Hello Baby official. I'm outside guys, going at my own pace guys, no pressure, you know, but I have the flu cover everything. Let's go. Let's go. Look, people are building here the perimeter wall. Wow. Okay, let's go. Today is on a Sunday guys, and technically this is my school here. I can't wait guys to escort my brother and sister. I think it's tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, but I'm not sure of that. Let's go. Boom. I'm almost guys, you know. Roka. Okay guys, this is rental house, and where I am right now, it's the Buhanse village. To the one. You know, I'm telling you guys, that's how the bus looks like, very in the morning. Very early in the morning, I will shoot on the motorbike. Let's go. So guys, it's a market today. I'm telling you. So there's a hospital right there, healthcare. I left my bike here. Let's see whether there's anybody here. Alright guys, my bike is just okay, and I told them I left my bike, so let's do this. Oh, I don't know whether I can catch that guy. Okay guys, it's a bright morning here. Guys, I'm on this tarmac road, and that is the cow from Tanzania to Mabera. You see? Look. And we're heading to the market, guys. That's Uncle Mo. We try to negotiate the price for the broker. That's a man. Guys, we negotiate here. We have the buyer and seller. Let's go guys. We meet different people from different angles, sharing idea here and there. That's Uncle Mo. It's early morning guys. Wow, look, that's Galaxy, man. You need a white one?
I need a white one.
Take. Hey, heading to Nairobi. What? He need white one, guys, because look how it looks like. Guys, we try to negotiate. Wow. Hey, don't come here, go there. Woo. Up. We keep moving on, guys. Heading this way, we'll meet the cows, sheep, goats, you know. I see the school bus, so by tomorrow the school will be open, man. When you see the bus painting yellow, like this one here, means the school bus. Wow, let's move. Wow. Hey, the road is polluted fume. Akoma, say hello.
Hi guys, we are going on the market.
Yes.
We want to change things here. We don't want goats. We decided to put goats on sale.
Yeah.
So as you can bring a cow.
We wanna bring the cow, guys, exchanging. And also, yes, and also have the buyer and seller at the same time broker. Hey. Yeah. What I would end up with, I'm telling him to buy that white because It's bigger. Look how it looks like. Wow, we're heading to the market, guys, at this moment. And I'm walking, guys.
Yeah.
For the first time with no bike. Mzee stina nane chiyo togotegera imbuga.
Stina sabante hivi.
Stina sa umote birango.
Ni ma stina hii.
Sabe jata tangu tunarusi.
Rangu ni nyenko hai. Akora kumabuka. Renga toka.
Bora na wakuguria. Amote yakugurinisha. Mbona bistina sama chombe atamtere tambi hatai.
Stina tano ko. Tamera tano kari.
Tambi stina nane vetu.
Uni tasikira saiti hajo bwana.
Nda kira muri turakurusiriwe miye nyori hatu. Wow, let's go. Okay. Hey, there's bumps here. When you see here, you slow down. You need to slow down, man. Because these roads full of bumps. Wow. You meet different peoples with cows, with goats. Hey! Hey, crazy driving. Guys, comment on the comment section what do you think about on today's videos. But for me, I'm so grateful. Wow. Kagora mzee wiwe. Nese na maguta. Okay guys. We sell the white one and the road is coming from this angle. We keep moving on. Whoa! Salmans! Bigger! Hey! Whoa! Okay. The goat is pulling me. I'm on the control, guys. Wow. Monyo. Hey, beautiful lady there. Oh, nice house. Let's go, guys. I'm on the control. Yeah? Unataka? You need to go rohe?
I need this white wine.
You have already buy. Uroe sepore. Ntaranga uni.
Sino yondo.
Mata tanchora hai. Ndoera.
Nungu mbo harina yan.
Amai bana kiba aturingi.
Hata mchi bo hata no.
Guys, I've already sold the white one. So it's gone. This one. Even that one. Yes. Yes. Well, guys, you know, it's good to, like, you take the first prize before you go to the market. Wow. Beautiful home. Pana huyu na chochonzi? Ai chinsiri. Chinsiri. Oh. Nika mwiko liga nchino murusirika. Wow, that bus is heading from Nairobi to Sinai. Woo. Let's go. Guys, I'm taking to the market. Hey! Mambo shwari. Let's go, guys. What the matata? You make a noise. Wow. Guys, give our video a like comment, and also guys share my video. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. It's even right here. Okay, let's go. Hey, nakuona. Yeah. Tino tutaike na choma hapa. Kita acha yeye no mo basi. Omba kuskaini. Wow, easy course. Hey, people are coming from Nairobi, guys. So we almost to cross the bridge on the other side. Struggle with our goats to cross the bridge. Hey, hey, clean water. Yes, guys, we have the bridge here. You wait. You see how we struggle to pass with the goats here for the first time. Unaona nyono enda rumapera ukuringa hanu ninko fotora ni bigi kana na hafin anyo terere kure. You see guys, this is the bridge. Oh, this is the bridge, guys. Look. You see water? It's running, and on the top we have the tarmac road. Crazy. Let's go, guys. I want to show you up to the market. So it's coming from other side. Wow. Let's go. Wow. And then we go this way where there is a lorry. We branch going to the market. You see, guys, this one shows you we have the bridge there. Wow. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It's all morning over here. We're fully outside. Tuko nje na mbuzi. Tunaenda soko. Means we are outside with goats heading to the market. Butter today. Yes. Hey guys, we show you in local way. You know, when I'm going this way. See me. Wow. Wow. Full of green. Okay, Kara. See guys, it's green. Yeah, when we're heading to the market, she must have a rungu.
This one, I bought it at the same place.
Oh.
Yes, in the Mia.
Hey. Imagine. And the market is not far, guys, from here where we are. We branch this way. We use the tarmac at the Muram Road and then to the market. Wow. There's some guy calling us. Maybe they need goat, guys. Let's see them from this side here. Apa ini rambut kiri? Eh. They are grazing, guys. Crazy. Oh. That. Okay, guys. I don't need to. Oh, nice. This one is nice. Wow. See that road from the far end, and then you cross this way. That's your better now. They try to negotiate. You know, we negotiate the price. See, this man is negotiating the price for our goats. I show you things in local way, you know. And the time is running. Let me check the time, man. Let me check the time. Let me check the time. Oh, crazy. My phone went off. Yeah, guys, it's around 8:11 a.m. my local time. So that's the time which you sold the goats. You know? Put aside. Shut. They talk secret, guys. You know when we make a deal, you wanna talk secret. Tell it.
Yeah.
Come on, be very careful. Fresh. Hey, I need money. Yeah, money. Talk with the Uncle Mo.
Why?
She goes some boy. Hey, yeah, this is crazy. The goat. Get out. We need money. Guys, we talked with the price. Yeah. Full documentary from my home to the markets. You know. And most back days I want to show you maybe when I'm in the market, but today's food documentary from home to the market. Let's go. Right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Kadu wanki kutuna. Umeenda wait. Ugeno mote, taki no mote jaringira buchu.
Nona 200 yani.
Na mia yako. I have your $1. Oh. Hey. Zara tahera. Aleta tira tu kutuna. That's the broker. You know, guys, here you must be very careful. You have blockers, you have real customers who don't want to bargain. But if you see somebody bargaining, that's a real broker. Wow. Walking, guys. We need somebody who are serious. Okay. Guys, we shall meet in the market. Oh, guys. That's government house right there. You know. So we're almost to the market. Wow. We're like nomads people. Walking from one place to another. Let's go. You see that house, man? Hey, that's business house. Right there. Look. When you see this house, it's almost to the market. And then the market is opposite. The opposite or opposite? That's the road. Wow. We keep moving, guys. You know. See that house? Hey, well clean. Coming on up to the road here. On this side here, this is a hospital. Right here, Bugumbe South Hospital. Okay. Let's move. Have the cows here. But we are on the way. What the hell? Wow, you see some movement for the people here. Let's move. I think right now we do negotiation here. Hey! You got? Cheers, man.
Hello, baby, how are you?
I'm good, bro.
Are you coming to do what?
I'm selling goat, bro.
What?
Alright. Okay. Time is coming. Wow. He was my friend, guy. What time you ukorengana naye? Unitana masenti mali. Toto mero tuche kuguria. They need to be a broker for our goats, guys. But man, or mas manchana. Yeah. Ano ito na mukoro? And right there, guys, they're selling chickens down there. I'll show you. Okay? Guys, when I was coming, you see that house? I'm telling you, the opposite side, there's a market. So when you go this way, there's a market. We're then here, heading that way. Wow. Even right here, the sold dog. When I find dog, maybe I'll buy. So we're heading to the market, guys. Yaani watagamba toko hakamano ya toko hakamano okay, you see these lorries here, so we're heading to the market. Right here, we need money. We need money. And have some small kibandas here where they sold soap, hooks for the cow. Hey, hey.
Tafuta ile change yetu. Turudishie yule jamaa tu acha.
Oh, eh, simba kama turuhusi.
Kasi mrudishie tuchukue kamba yetu.
This is the market here. Afunko hemia.
Yeah.
No kwa hemia mzee wana. No. Maana maro. Na ante vile muhemia ngurusiri.
Nuni. Amra.
Ona mzee ni tori na hara wiki tena. Hey. The market here. Tora uri.
Gado.
Uri.
Na uri na amu mbo hele hema. Ma timecha change na ninchi. Songa ore ga.
Boya chire. That's where they sold cows, goats.
Gini. Sudah marah he kali tengah ni dia nama kau. Bela pi ambere. Baka kau nak mana kasih dan. Asli ini kira. Tahu ini kan lari kan. Tekiso. Nah, kami tak tahu lah, mah halu kau.
Pakai rok kau ini. Banyak kuansi.
Alright guys, we left the market on this side here, so we are heading home. You know, on my hand here I hold the rope, so I want to meet with Uncle Mo, and then boom. Guys, enjoy these videos, give a like, comment, share. And our market is so big, man, so big, from down going up to that way, man. in Migori County, I think this is the most popular market. So I want to show you where they sold chicken, you know, and also guinea fowl. So let's go. Business is everywhere. No rankumu. Kusikia ronde hor. Oh. Nyomo za tuna konga bono kenda aguri. So guys, in the morning we came with the goats. Right now, right now we are going
back with the
rope.
You don't say this. If you say your rope,
You do like that.
you are selling your property.
Yes. According to our culture, guys. Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
If you want to buy a rope, buy yours.
Yes.
This one it must go back.
So down here they sold chicken. Sorry. Yeah.
Pauro, what's all right? Man, man, put it in a pig.
Atuma chingoko. Okay. That's chocolate sen. Chingoko cha hoti. Ata. Chino ni chaora. Kote ni ngukuguri.
Yeah.
Chini chao ile ngukuguri. Umambona akanguri chinkanga. Ewe. Itora endu.
Taka kora hare wata.
I don't know who's mancha na unitara tabu na gomura. This chicken here. You know. It's all green form. Makuku. Chinkanga no nacho. Makuku is not yours. It's our ni chincharuchira. Makuku. Wati kambe kote mi video. Wewe
Na kon sapo.
Quanto sapato zao kor?
Ya vende mongo. Ya selfie. Ato mama. Ato.
Yeah? This is your goal. Buy this. Mine no nuru. You're a broker. Well guys, I'm back from the market. Actually, it's our local market that we have here. It's connect people from different cultures, and we came to meet at one point to exchange idea here and there in terms of buying and goods here and there, you know, doing barter trade, you know. So this is I'm calling home, and guys, for my video of today could be short, but be ready, the premiere is coming soon, guys. I know for my premiere again, you missed this, guys, you know. Wow, right here, that's my baby. You know guys, nothing to be hide. This is my baby here, well cleaned. And subscribe guys to my channel. Check out Felicitas. I'll tag her link on my videos, so she can able to move to 700 and then from there to 1K, guys. Love is for free. The way you're supporting me, guys, let's support her, you know. Maybe in future they wanna put something on the table, guys. Wow, well clean our compound, and soon I'm going to update you my mom's dream house. So guys, right now I'm remaining with one lap for buying blocks, and then I'll start from there, guys. Although the blocks is expensive, but I'm trying to keep pushing, doing videos. And this month of April I didn't put more videos, guys. I don't know how things will be go, but I keep praying things will be okay, guys, for my side. And as I promise you guys, let's see at the end of the month of March, of May, because sorry guys, we passed March, the end of May, what we're supposed to do, either buying bags of cement or sand. But I'll put more effort on sand because we're heading to the dry season, and which is delicate to get us some sands for the construction. So I'll buy like 3 tippers, and then we there. So the sand, when I have $200, I could buy 3 rollies. I think yeah, that's 20,000 plus, because one tipper goes to 700 times 3, that's 21,000 Kenyan shillings. So when I get that money, I'll buy sand, because in the month of June we are heading to the dry season, and to get sand you get at higher price, guys. So I want to minimize that, and things will move perfect, guys. Look, this is what we have here, and things will be okay, guys. So let me check inside what's going on before I move, guys, you know, before I end my videos. Super clean. First we want to meet the this toilet sandals right here. Super clean, you know. Wow. Okay, that is it. So it's been a while, you know. Guys, think about my mom's dream house. If this could be a toilet, what about my mom's dream house? By God's grace, we shall do it, you know. So me, I'm the guy who climbing the ladder step by step, and I reach my targets, I reach my goal. These veggies here, also these pumpkin leaves, my mom's small kitchen garden, you know. So guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. And in case you're new here, guys, show me some love by watching my videos, subscribing, comment, and share. So that's the best way we can support Hello Baby Official. And man, we have birds here. They're helping me to sing some songs here and there. And at the time I feel crazy, like not that much crazy. I put some chairs here. I see some birds moving from one tree to another, you know, singing songs here and there, and probably things will be okay on my side. So guys, let me end my video here. Could be shorter, so we shall meet on the next video. And for my premiere again, remember today, let me manage to upload 2 videos, because yesterday I didn't manage to upload a video. I will see, guys, whether I can manage. So bye bye, guys.